Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production, but which one truly delivers? We'll explore their features, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker retails for $249, making it a premium option for those seeking quality and performance. In contrast, the Antarctic Star Ice Maker is priced at just $69, offering a more budget-friendly alternative for consumers. While the Silonn may come with advanced features, the Antarctic Star presents a compelling choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing essential functionality. In terms of ice production, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive output of 33 pounds of chewable ice per day, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. On the other hand, the Antarctic Star Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is still substantial for home use. If you're someone who frequently hosts events, the Silonn may be the better option, while the Antarctic Star could suffice for casual use. Feature-wise, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker stands out with its one-click operation and self-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. Meanwhile, the Antarctic Star Ice Maker offers portability, making it perfect for camping trips or parties on the go. Both machines have their unique advantages, catering to different user needs and preferences. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The Silonn offers premium features and higher ice output, while the Antarctic Star is a budget-friendly, portable option. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.